In today's video, you will be able to create AI shots like this.
Nature's balance is shifting. Polar bears fight for survival on melting ice. Wildfires destroy habitats, displacing countless species. Coral reefs fade as oceans warm. Climate change disrupts vital migration patterns. Species on the brink of extinction. Take action to preserve our planet's biodiversity.
So to make an AI short video, first we need to find a trending content. So I'm going to use Google Trend. So head over to the website trend.google.com. Now I'm going to use Google Trend so I can find a trending topic for my content. Okay, click on trending now. Now choose your country, for example, United States. After that, I'll look for a science related topic. Let's go for climate change. Hit enter. Choose any topic you want to use. For example, I like this greenhouse gas emission, so I'm gonna copy it. Now let's move on to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a prompt, images, and text to speech audio for our YouTube short content. So now type in this prompt I'm going to be using. I'll also put it in the box down below. Now once you are done typing a prompt, hit the green arrow. Now ChatGPT is going to give us a full script with our voiceover text to speech, different things, and also different image description that we can use to generate images that fit this YouTube shot. So now once I've gotten all these prompts, what we need now is the image description. So let's head over to the website called Leonardo AI. Once we are here, now select image generation. So that choose your ratio to be 9:16. Now let's copy and paste the different prompts for each thing that GPT give us. So let's copy it in one. Now select generate. Now Leonardo AI website will give us perfect images for our content. Paste all your prompts here one by one and download all of them. Repeat this process until you get all your images. Once I've gotten that, now let's convert all our images into a video format. So to do that, head over to the website called onewayml.com. Now select try for free. Now let's choose our images from our gallery and upload it to this website. Now once your image is successfully uploaded, click on the generate button. Now once your video is ready, you can select the play button to review your video. Once you are satisfied, select download. Now do the same to all your images, convert them to video one by one, and now we can move to the next step, which is to generate a voiceover for our video. So I'm going to be using Clipchamp to do this. So go to their website, clipchamp.com. Now select try for free. Now click on create a new video. Select record and create. Now select text to speech. Now let's paste in our article scene by scene, which ChatGPT has divided for us into sections. I'll copy scene 1. I'll copy. Once are done, select save to media. Now import the voice clip to your video. Also, now that you have the videos and audio, you can now combine them together and form a perfect YouTube shot for your video. And once it's done, you can now upload it to your YouTube channel. Once you're done combining all your images and videos together, I recommend you using the HD quality to export your videos from Clipchamp. So it's gonna give you the best quality and low size file. This helps to engage your audience and boost watch time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.